Good morning, everyone! So this is our day 3. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan?
We're gonna go to the Sunshine Valley. We're gonna try skiing. If it's gonna be okay.
Yan. So ngayon, may free shuttle bus yung hotel namin dito sa likod ng Mount Royal Hotel. So it will depart at 10:50. So right now it's already 10:30. So we do have like 20 minutes more. But yung walk dyan is like 5 to 10 minutes lang. Dun sa from our hotel to Mount Royal. So doon na, palakad na kami.
Discounted kasi kapag online. So hindi ko alam kung yun ay discounted price.
Mga 7. Pag-uusapan lang namin yung kung magkano yung natin kayang ilabas for ski.
Kasi kahapon nag-check kami ng online sana mag-rent kami o whatnot ng mga gear for ski. Kaso wala nang available. So meron ba?
2 days before.
Oh yeah. I thought wala na. So ngayon itatry namin yung lockdown na kami talaga mag-rent.
Spring. Yung hot tub.
Hot pot?
Spring?
Hot spring. Yung pagkain may hot spring.
Finally, nandito na kami sa Sunshine Village, dito sa Banff, kung saan kami mag-i-ski. Ito na yun, guys! Mga kasama ko.
Ay, doon yata yung
Ay, kayo, bear? You want bear?
Ayun ko lang ganyang bear.
Ano bear gusto mo?
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Ski and Snowboard School Services. So, we're gonna try to get 1-day pass. We don't have any experience at ski. So, ito na yung kanilang pamphlet. So, based on the map, meron tayong Goat Ice Mountain and Standish Mountain. And then may Lookout Mountain pa. So, it will depend on depending on the pass that we're gonna buy here. Kung ano ang mga magiging course track natin. Okay. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung map. So, ito yung Sunshine. Ito na yung mga and this is the Standish Mountain. So, nandito lang kami sa rental. So, need lang namin mag-sign in ng waiver before i-push or i-process yung rentals namin. So right now, nag-rentals na kami. Nagsusukat kami ng shoes. Ito na guys, fully geared. Okay, so nandito na kami sa gondola, paakyat, Sunshine Village. So, mga 20 minutes to paakyat dun sa mismong ski mountain. So, ang inavail namin, lahat kami naka-ski, Kasi for first timer, ayan ang kanilang recommended na gear. So full gear kami, may helmet, may mga something. Basta yun na yun. Ayan. So 20 minutes kami dito. So ngayon, nandito na kami sa slope. We took some pictures and ang hirap pala mag-vlog kapag ikaw na yung mag-i-ski or whatnot. So guys, insert na lang kami ng clips dito.
Mahirap ito, Miguel B! Huy! Ang bilis mo! Side, side! Uy!
Ayun, nakatawag na Miguel.
Uy!
Oh my god! Sino? Hello guys, so we are here at the top of the mountain. This gondola doesn't have any rails or whatnot. Oh my gosh, it's so scary and it's so cold in here. Hindi ka namin hawak yung... Guys, look at the view guys. Look at the view. If you could actually feel my hands right now, it's really cold.
It's shaking as well.
I cannot...
You want the gloves?
I cannot wear gloves right now. I mean, I'm so scared. Look at that, I'm crying! But it feels so good. It feels so good there.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I can't see the camera now, but guys,
This is the highest peak.
this is the highest peak now.
On this bit.
Oh, okay ka pa, Jo?
Sand. Ayun na. We're going
Okay.
down close.
Guys, so
Yeah, we was.
hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa mga clips namin sa pag-ski. It's really hard. Right now, we decided to go to the gondola na parang mag-view lang kami talaga. Grabe! We are on the top of the mountain right now. And it's really cold kasi ang lamig talaga. Guys, I am hoping na nakikita nyo yung view. I'm really hopeful.
Wala, ang ganda.
picture.
Yeah, ayun yung sunshine. Ano? Malamig sa tenga, B.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Sunshine Valley. This is sa Mount Standish. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo yung view. This is really such an amazing view. This is my first time to go on skiing, to go on a mountain, like super snow. Grabe. Thank you, Lord, that I was able to go here and experience this kind of view. It's really like so awesome. And sobrang naiyak ako kasi sobrang taas. Look at that. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the view, okay? What's your experience? How's your experience? Woo!
Pwede ba no comment? Or kote?
Grabe!
But the view parang nasa ano.
Oh.
Picture ako.
How's your experience?
I like it. So nice.
Are you gonna repeat it?
Yes, of course.
No choice. Yun ang only way pababa. How's your experience po?
I like it and I hope it likes me too.
Oh, pwede bumaba dun. Tapos ride ka ulit.
Bababa ka ba, G, using your ski?
Kung marunong.
Bababa na kami ng bundok.
Nahilo na din ako siguro sa buto.
Na ano na namin to.
Nahilo na din ako sa buto.
Yung 124 po, sarap naman.